कीर्ति कलित ललित सिय पीठी गावत वेद पुराण अष्टदश चारों शास्त्र सब ग्रंथन को रस मुनि जन धन संतन को सर्वस तारंस सम्मत सब ही की आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीर्ति कलित ललित सिय पीठी गावत संतत शंभु भवानी अर्गत संभव मुनि विज्ञानी व्यास आदि कवि वरद बखानी आपु सुंदर गरुड़ के ही की आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीर्ति कलित ललित सिय पीठी परिमल हरणी विषय रस पीठी सुभग सिंगार मुक्ति युवती की गलन रोग भव भूरि अमीठी पाठ मत सब विधि तुलसी की आरती श्री रामायण की कीर्ति कलित ललित सिय पीठी आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीर्ति कलित ललित सिय पीठी
ओम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
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 ओम श्री राम जय
ओम श्री राम जय राम
जय जय राम। प्रेम तुलसीदास रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। सभी लोग आसन लीजिए। एवरीवन प्लीज बी सीटेड। As we are seated, let us clasp our hands and focus our minds upon the Divine Lord. In these shlokas that we are about to chant, they are dedication and service to the Divine Lord, in obeisance to Ganesh, Saraswati, and all the different deities that we contemplate, asking their blessings that we shall become in that state of mind that we shall be able to understand and appreciate the values of the readings of the holy books. We contemplate भवानी शंकरो वंदे श्रद्धा विश्वास्वरूपिणो याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धशान्ति नमीश्वरम् वन्दे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुर्शङ्कररूपिणम् यमाश्रितो हि वक्रोऽपि चन्द्रः सर्वत्र वन्दते चन्द्रः सर्वत्र वन्दते सीताराम गुणग्राम पुण्यार विहारिणो वन्दे विशुद्ध विज्ञान कवीश्वर कपीश्वरो कवीश्वर कपीश्वरो श्री राम बोलो श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। राम जय जय राम
श्री 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 राम जय जय राम। रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए
श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए
श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए
श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए
रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए
श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए श्री रामचंद्र आए
मंगल भवन मंगल हारी रघुवंश दशरथ अजर बिहारी राम
सिया राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम सिया राम जय जय राम
मंगल भवन मंगल हारी मंगल भवन मंगल हारी रघुवंश दशरथ अजर बिहारी राम
सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम
राम
सिया राम जय जय राम
जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई 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 कृपा करो दुर्देवती नारी राम सिया
राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम
राम
सिया राम
जय जय राम मंगल भवन मंगल हारी मंगल भवन, that Lord who is a storehouse of bliss, Mangalahari, and through whose bliss all things are removed. It is Him whom we glorify tonight. And it is that same Lord that Vibhishan has gone to meet. It is that same Lord that Sita grieves for while she is in Lanka. It is that same Lord that Mother Kausalya is in death grief. And Bharat sits in contemplation in Ayodhya. It is that same Lord that you and I are contemplating tonight. To seek His presence in our lives, to give us that comforting state of mind, to give us that fulfilling feeling. He is our Sharanagat. He is our salvation. And to Him we seek salvation. We continue with our Katha tonight from Sundarkand, where Vibhishan is now in the encampment of Prabhu Sri Ramchandra Bhagavan. And he's been presented. The word has reached Prabhu Ram that he's there. Sugriv and Jamwant decided that and advised the Lord, my Lord, he is the enemy. Put him in chains and lock him away. And Prabhu Sri Ramchandra Bhagavan explained to them that your advice is good political wisdom, but I cannot use the same reasoning when I address someone who comes to me in need. Sakhaniti tum ki vichari mamapan sarana gat vayhari. Saranagat vayhari. He says that I am Sharanagat. I am the one who is removed to remove all fear and difficulties from everyone. And people come to me when they are in difficulty. And if I am to refuse them, then what value am I? And we are told that Hanumanji was observing all of this. Suni Prabhu Bachana Harash Hanumana शरणागत वत्सल भगवाना। भगवान श्री रघुनाथ जी शरण में आए हुए व्यक्ति के प्रीति पुत्र सा प्रेम करने वाले। It says, look how the Father, the loving Father, looks and is always willing to receive his children, regardless of what wrongs they might have done. He says, so it is that Supreme Lord, he is the Pare se Pare Pita. Pare se Pare Paramatma, he is the highest of the highest being, the highest of the highest Father. He is showing that compassionate nature that all can come to him regardless of what they might have done. We now join Vibhishan. The Lord having declared that only someone who is not a sinner can come to him, or one who has decided that their sins, it is time for retribution, will come to him. Having made his statements, Bhagavan declares, याद नहु हसी कहती पानी के ओ रामा हसी कहती पानी के जय कृपाल कही कपिय चले अंगद हनु समेत ओ रामा अंगद हनु समेत सियावर रामचंद्र
भजने शरणं शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम।
कृपा निधान श्री राम जी इस सर बोले दोनों ही स्थितों में उसे ले आओ। तब अंगद और हनुमान जी के साथ सुग्रीव वही परम श्री रामचंद्र भगवान declared, said, and bring him to me. Go bring him to me if he is here. Present him to me. Then Sugriv with Hanuman and Angad departed with Sugriv saying in his mind, कृपालु श्री राम की जय कहने हुए चले। He said, praise be to that Lord who is so compassionate. Praise be to that Lord who is so compassionate. Kripalu Nidan, who is so compassionate and willing to forgive all who comes to him. Now, Sugrim, Angad and Hanuman have gone to bring Vibhishan to present him. Vibhishan is now ultimately will realize the dream of his entire life, face to face with the Divine Lord. जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम सादर तेया ये करी वानर चले जहाँ रघुपति नाचर।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
दुरही ते देखे दो भ्राता, दुरही ते देखे दो भ्राता, नयनानंद दान के दाता।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
विभीषण जी को आदर पूर्वक आगे करने वाले, वहां चले जहां करूंगा। विभीषण, Angad, Hanuman and Supreme placed Vibhishan respectfully in front of them. And they stayed behind him and requested that he proceed to go to the Lord. As Vibhishan started to walk towards नेत्रों के आनंद दान करने वाली दोनों भाइयों को विभीषण जी ने दूर ही से देखा। As from the far distance, दूरी के देखा, from that far distance he noticed the two brothers, Ram and Lakshman, and his eyes became totally engrossed in their beautiful form. बहुरी राम चिब भग्याय विलोकी, रहे कटुकी एक तक पल रोकी।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
भुज पलंब कजरुन लोचन, भुज प्रलंब कंजरुन लोचन, श्यामल गात प्रणत बलमोचन।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम जय जय राम जय
Vibhishan's eyes are fixed upon the Lord. It is said that once he saw them and he had them in his vision, his eyes could not blink, wink, Can you control your eyes from winking? No. He said he was so totally fixed upon them that his eyes would not blink. And he stood quite still with his gaze fixed upon the Lord. And he noticed Bhuja Pralamb Kanjaruna Lochan, his long arms and his lotus-like eyes. And in looking at these long arms and his lotus-like eyes, he felt that feeling, yes, here is the one that those arms will give me comfort. These eyes will shower me with grace and blessings. He envisioned the joy that he will derive from coming in closer contact, just standing there. Now all of us have had experiences like this in our lives. you know, where the expectation is more than the actual event. Think about your first ice cream. How many can remember that far back? Or when you lived in a neighborhood where ice cream was not very popular, and then once in a while the ice cream truck would come around, or the man with the little bicycle, or you'd be driven to the city where you were told you will get ice cream today. And you were told that 2 days before you got there. You are tasting that ice cream from the time they told you that. You're savoring the taste, you're thinking, oh, and I'm talking about the time when ice cream only had one color, white. I remember in the country that I grew up in, when they started to manufacture ice cream in this machine, there was only one place in the whole country that had it. And it was in the city. And when you were told that we are going to get, it was called Brown Betty's. That was the name of the company. That you were going to get Brown Betty's ice cream. Heaven has just opened up a door. And you're going, and then you can imagine that little cone they will give you and how they will swirl it and put it in it. And you can imagine how you are tasting it and you didn't get there yet. Would you imagine the disappointment if your parents told you the next day, sorry, you're not going there? You cry for 1 week. And the taste will still be there. That is nothing compared to how Vibhishan is feeling right now. The joy is beyond that materialistic taste and satisfaction. It is a spiritual satisfaction that he's deriving right now. He's feeling the fulfillment of God realization with him. Although he's standing in front of the Divine Lord, he's feeling that fulfillment within him. Sant Goswami Tulsidas continues to describe the feelings of Vibhishan. Sindha kanda ayataur soha anand abhita madan manmoha.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
Nayana nira pulakita hati gata. Nayana nira pulakita hati gata. मन धीरे धीरे कई मृदु बाता.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama.
Shri Rama Jai Jai Rama. सिंह के से कंधे हैं. Vibhishan is describing the Lord's shoulders look as powerful as a lion's shoulder. His structure, his physical appearance was very graceful and royal. Royal like the king of the jungle. His shoulder was magnificent and broad-chested. He looked powerful physically. And yet, although he is physically powerful, there was great charm about his physique. While his face, भगवान के स्वरूप को देखकर विभीषण जी के नेत्रों सजल हो गए और शरीर अत्यंत पुलकित हो गए. He said, when he looked at the beautiful face of the Lord, he became bewitched by everything that was beautiful and loving. He fell in love with the face of the Lord. और शरीर अत्यंत पुलकित हो गए. His body started to shiver. शरीर अत्यंत पुलकित, like he was uncontrollable. He was experiencing a spiritual seizure, whereby the body was totally responding to his emotions. His intellect was not in there. It was strictly pure divine emotions. फिर मन में धीरज धरकर उन्होंने मीठी बात कही. नेत्र सजल हो गया. Of course, tears flowed from his eyes. And in this state of pure ecstasy, this thrill of joy ran through his spine from top of his head to his tip of his backbone. And then he found the strength to compose himself. मीठी बात कही. And he spoke these very gentle words. नाथ दसानंद कर मैं भ्राता, निशिचर वंश जन्म सुरत्राता. सजन पाप प्रिय तामस देह, जता उलू कही तब परिनेह. जता उलू कही तम परिनेह. हे नाथ, मैं दशमुख का भाई है. I am the brother of that 10-headed that they call Rava. हे देवताओं के रक्षक, मेरे जन्म निश्चय कर कुल में हुआ है. He says, O divine one, I am from that tamasic kul lineage, those who live in the tamasic state, in the state of darkness, and they do not recognize you. मेरे शरीर तामसिक है, स्वभाव से ही मुझे पाप प्रिय है. And I'm full of ignorance and natural sinful nature. जैसे उल्लू को अंधकार पर स्नेह होता है. And I am naturally addicted to wrongdoings. My naturalness can be related to an owl who is only relevant to night. That I'm always in a state of darkness, whether it's day or night. Sant Goswami Tulsidas took time to choose the words to let us understand the emotions of the day, not only the words. And in reading this katha, the way the words are formed together, Nath dasanan karme bhrata. Hey Nath, dasanan karme bhrata, that I am the brother of that dasanan. Nisichar vansa janam surtrata. I was, because of my karma, I was born into this kul. Sahaj papa priya tamas deha. Papa priya tamas deha. I have this tamas, deha means body, tamasic, the state of what we call the id. Papa priya, I am connected to sinfulness. Jata ulu kahi tam parineha. And ulu, the owl. Why is he using the analogy of the owl? During the day the owl sleeps, and at night the owl wakes. During the day when it's bright it cannot see. During the night when it's dark, then it's open its eyes. So in a sense, it cannot see anything at any time. It's living in total darkness, day and night. Prem so Sitapati Ramachandra Bhagavan ki jai. Sant Goswami Tulsidas कहते हैं that the Lord was listening to Vibhishan, and listening to Vibhishan, Sravana suju suni आयु प्रभु भजन भवभीर. त्राही त्राही आ रही तिहरन, सरनाद सुख रघुबीर, सरनाद सुख रघुबीर। श्रवण सुजसु सुनियायहु, प्रभु बचन भवबीर। त्राही त्राही आ रही तिहरन, शरण सुखद रघुबीर। आपके इस सुंदर यश को मैं कानों से सुनकर आया हूं। Since I heard of your glory, O Lord, since I heard of your coming and of your greatness and power, Babisha, कि प्रभु जन्म मरण के भय का नाश करने वाले, I know that you will remove my fear of janam maram, of birth and death. You know, we are all of fear of death. We are afraid that the time will come. He says, I know you, Lord, will remove that fear from my mind. हे दुखियों के दुख को हरने वाले, O remover of all of the difficulties of humanity, और शरणागत को, and the one who grants refuge to all, शरणागत को सुख देने वाले, and the one who gives happiness, हे श्री रघुवीर, आप मेरे रक्षा करें, रक्षा करें। O Lord, be my protector, be my protector, be my protector. Now, Babishan has the opportunity to stand in front of the Lord and to present himself, and all he asks for, he says, be my protector, be my protector. Is he saying, you know, I want you to go to fight Ravan and kill him and be that kind of protector? What kind of protection is he looking for? He says, you are the one who is janam maran ke bhay ka nash karne wale. You are the one who can remove the fear of birth and death. If we have the fear of death removed from our lives, what will be our status? If we are not worried about death anymore, what will be our status? It is believed that if we take out the fear of death from our lives, then we will live life to its fullest. But we are living, planning that death will occur, let's do this. So we are driven by the event that death will occur, let's do this. We're not doing what we must do, we're doing what we think is right to do because we might die tomorrow, so let's do these things. This is a very interesting concept. Now all of us are told we must prepare for death, make our will and make sure that all of the properties in everybody's names and so on. Think carefully, that's all materialistic. But it's that, if we are only preparing for death and making sure those things, then what else is there to do? He says, no. We must live our life to the full by doing that which we must do to help the Atma on its journey. Because you see, when we make the will and all that, we're taking care of those who are left behind. We still have to take care of that which has to go forward. And that is the Atma. It is going forward. Bajao. The Divine Lord is now seeing Babishan close up. He is now close to the Lord that he can prostrate to him. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Shri Ram Jai Ram श्री राम जय राम बोलो
श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम
अत कही करत दंडवत देखा
श्री राम जय जय राम
तुरत उते प्रभु हरत विशेषा
श्री राम जय जय राम
दिन बचन सुनि प्रभु मन भावा
श्री राम जय जय राम
पूज विशाल गई हृदय लगावा
श्री राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय जय राम
श्री राम जय जय राम
प्रभु ने उन्हें ऐसा कहकर दंडवत शस्तांग करने देखा. Vibhishan, having said all of these words, then immediately Shastanga Pranam laid himself flat in front of the Lord. Now this Dandavat Pranam, Shastanga Pranam, we see that when many of us bow, we bow in the half crouch position. Ladies are supposed to bow in the crouch position for obvious reasons, but men are to bow Shastanga Pranam, flat. And the symbolism of this Shastanga Pranam is that we are saying that we are connecting all of our physical self to that which is the earth. That we are becoming one with the earth, declaring that we are the lowest of the low. Vibhishan prostrated himself in this manner to the Divine Lord. आदर पाकर आए हुए विभीषण को आदर देने में प्रभु ने विलंब नहीं किया. The Lord listened to the words of Vibhishan, and then Vibhishan prostrated himself before him. विभीषण जी के दिन वचन सुनने पर प्रभु के मन को बहुत ही प्रिय लगे. The Lord was totally enamored by the words of Vibhishan. उन्होंने विशाल भुजाओं से the Lord had got up. This Bhagwan who is sitting there got up and went to the devotee who was laying flat on the ground. उन्होंने विशाल भुजाओं से पकड़कर उनको अपने हृदय से लगा लिया. And the Lord picked up Vibhishan and embraced him. Very rarely in all the Ramcharitmanas do you see the Lord hugging anyone. He hugs Vibhishan, the brother of Ravan, the one who's come from that impious place, who's tamasic in nature, and yet the Lord hugs him. Why is it that the Lord hugs someone like him? He who's laid himself flat on the ground, the Lord could have said, okay, Jai Ho, nice. But no, the Bhagwan Ram got up, went to him, lifted him up and embraced him. But that's not all that happened. Anuj sahit mile deg betari, bole vachan भक्त भयहारी. श्री राम जय
जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम
कहूँ लंका सहित परिवारा।
श्री राम जय जय राम।
कहु लंकेश सहित परिवारा।
श्री राम जय जय राम।
कुशल कुशाहर बार तुम्हारा।
श्री राम जय जय राम।
श्री राम जय जय राम।
श्री राम जय जय राम।
चौथे भाई लक्ष्मण जी सहित उनसे लगे मिलकर। Even Lakshman embraced Vibhishan. Even Lakshman ji embraced Vibhishan. और अपने पास बिताकर श्री राम जी भक्तों के भय के हरने वाले वचन बोले। That Lord, who is the remover of all the fears of his devotees, he began to speak. Hey Lankesh, O child of Lanka, परिवार सहित अपनी कुशाल कहो। The Lord said, tell me, how is your family? Wow. The Divine Lord is meeting Vibhishan and have a casual meeting. Good to see you. How is the family doing? In Western society or in the question these days when we meet and talk is hi, bye, let's get to business. No socializing, let's cut the small talk. But in the traditional way, when people meet each other, the first thing they say, Jai Shri Ram, Pranam, Paulagi. Next question, how is your father, how is your mother, how is the family? They must inquire about the family. Here, Prabhu Sri Ramchandra, this is Ramcharitmanas, this is the Leela of the Lord, that is the way we should live. Vibhishan is the enemy. Vibhishan is a Rakshas. Vibhishan is of everything that you can think about. And the Lord is saying, tell me, how is your family? He's making social talk. He's still establishing. He said the tradition doesn't change regardless who you're talking. That is the tradition. The tradition does not change that how you should welcome someone to your home. The tradition does not change how you should greet someone in the morning or when you meet them for the first time. That tradition has not changed and should never change. Pleasantries and God's name must never change regardless of who you are meeting and for what purpose. Here is a classic example of the Lord showing the world. Greet and meet with bade pyar se. The Lord, तुम रहते तो बुरी जगह में हो. Where you live, तुम रहते हो. It's not a nice place. The Lord is saying, I know, Vibhishan, I know your state of existence. कलमंदली बसहु दिनु राती सखा धर्म निब्रही कोई भाती. श्री राम जय
जय राम. श्री राम जय जय राम.
भव जानव तुम्हारी सबरी थी.
श्री राम जय जय राम.
अति नय निपुण भाव नीति.
श्री राम जय जय राम.
बोलो.
श्री राम जय जय राम. श्री राम
जय जय राम. दिन रात दुष्टों के समाज में ही निवास करते हो. He says, day and night you are living and encompassed by that which is tamasic. ऐसी दशा में तुम्हारा धर्म किस तरह निभाता है? And yet you were able to practice your dharma in that environment. Yet you were able to maintain your qualities as a bhakt of the Lord. The environment didn't change you. It didn't matter what anybody was doing, how evil they were. You still maintain your good qualities. Ha, Vibhishan, I'm so proud of you. तुम अत्यंत नीति निपुण हो, इसलिए तुम्हें अनीति अच्छी नहीं लगती. I know all about your life. I know your great sacrifice. And I know your aversion to vice. I know you, Vibhishan. It doesn't matter what Angad and Sugriv may think, I know you. These are the words declared to the Lord. Remember, God knows all of us. It doesn't matter what we think we are, God knows us, and He knows the truth about all of us. The Divine Lord continues to speak to Vibhishan. Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama, Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama,
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
बरुबल वासन रख करता था.
Shri Ram Jai Jai Ram.
दुष्ट संग जनि देई विदाता.
Shri Ram Jai Ram.
अब पद देखि कुशल रघुराया.
Shri Ram Jai Ram.
जो तुम किन्हीं जानी जन दाया.
Shri Ram Jai Ram.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Hey Tat, the Lord addresses Vibhishan, Hey Tat, my brother. Oh my brother, नरक का आवास वरन अच्छा है. He says it would be better for you to live in hell than rather to live there. परंतु विधाता दुष्टों की संगति न दे. But you were living there in that gathering of those people, that quality, and yet you maintain your status. Vibhishan haven't listened to the Lord. Hey Raghunath ji, he is responding. अब आपके चरणों के दर्शन से खुशहाल से हो, जो आपने अपना भक्त जानकर मुझे पर दया की. Now that I've seen you, O Lord, now that I come and have touched your divine feet, it is all well with me, everything is fine now. Since you have had mercy on me and shown your compassionate nature to me, and oh Lord, you recognize me. You recognize me as your devotee. He says, that is all that I needed. To be known by you that I am devout. How do we declare to God that we know He knows that we are devout? How do we declare to God that we know that He knows that we are devout? You know, when someone says, I believe you, how do you know that you can say for sure that they really believe you? You have to trust them that they believe you. Vibhishan had total faith in God, in Prabhupada, and he says, my Lord, I know who I am and I know that I am close to you. I feel good to know that you have accepted me. In this final doha, tonight's katha, Vibhishan makes a declaration. A declaration. Bacha. तब लगी कुशल ना जीव, तब लगी कुशल न जीव, कह सपने हूँ मन विश्राम, कहूँ सपने हूँ मन विश्राम, जब लगी भजन न राम, कहूँ सोख धाम तजी काम, कहूँ सोख धाम तजी काम। तब तक जीव का मंगल नहीं और न सपने में भी उसके मन को आराम है। जब तक वह शोक के स्थान काम को छोड़कर श्री राम जी के नहीं बचता, नहीं बचता। There can be no happiness for any creature, nor can the mind be at peace, even in a dream, as long as that creature has not relinquished their attachment to this world. It doesn't mean we must die, people. No, no, no. To relinquish our attachment to this world, we mean we must live in this world full. But we must not be attached to anything while we live in the world. And the attachment here doesn't mean that we don't have it in our name, that we don't have it in our will, or we don't have it in our bank account. But it must not possess us. The attachment is when we are possessed by our possessions. How are we possessed by our possessions? Like a little child, two little children in a room playing with a toy, and one says, "This is mine, this is mine, this is mine, mommy, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine." And the other child is pulling, "No, no, 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 no." And there's 100 other toys there. But the child, and if the mother takes the toy from the child will cry vehemently and will turpe on the ground and toss and tumble upside down. The toy owns the child. The child doesn't own the toy. Now, it's easy to understand when a child acts like that, but when a grown-up acts like that, that is really difficult to comprehend. Because we are grown-up, we act like that about our possessions. Some of us have authority over certain things or have domain, control, and we have, "Don't you touch it, don't you go there, no one does." We are owned and possessed by that. I'm trying to find something that I own and possess totally, that no one else has any rights to. Legally, I'm trying to think of that. Actually, I don't have anything. Even my clothes, I don't have total possession of. The reality is that there is nothing that we can say totally belongs to us, that we have total possession. Everyone, it doesn't matter who we are. But here is, huh? I have possession of ice cream. No, 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 no.
Mango tree.
Huh?
Mango tree.
Mango tree. I have the food inspectors who are there also when I have. So Vibhishan is making this declaration, and I wanted to emphasize, so important his declaration. And that, when you read these lines, I must confess that during this yajna, I've enjoyed more than ever reading these lines. And it's maybe because I understand them more. And it helps when you have the violin. Give Natarajan a big hand, please. That you can feel actually the emotions of Tulsidas when he was writing the word. When you used to write letters, anybody write letters anymore? When you had to write a letter, you didn't just get a piece of paper and you write. You write, you crumble, you throw away. You write, you crumble, you throw away. You write. And by the way, you didn't have any eraser or anything like that. If you wrote it wrong, you couldn't scratch, you threw it away. And then when you wrote that letter, you used to think of every word and you had to express you remember you're writing them. I'm in my room right now. and nobody's here, and I can hear the people talking next door. And tomorrow I have to go to school, and well, it's snowing outside. You're painting this picture as the person who reads the letter will be right there with you. And you should take time, but today on the internet they say, quick, whatever it is, and 2 words, and they spell it halfway and give it to you, and done. And you don't get a picture of what's going on. But here, when you read, and by the way, when you were reading those letters, how many of you, when you went away from home, used to reread your letters after you read them one day, you go back and read them again, and kept them in piles? Anybody did that? Oh, good. I don't know where all the mines are. I think they're still in New York in some vault somewhere. But you used to get letters from boyfriends and girlfriends, lots, friends, all of them, writing you to tell you how the weather is and what they did that day when they went to school. All silly things, but things that meant value. What movie they went to see, and oh God, how Shami Kapoor looks so nice in this movie, You can tell, you can date me by that, right? The simple things. And how they dressed up to go to see this Indian movie. By the way, I came from a country, when people went to movies on Sunday, it was a dress-up session. They decked out to their best outfit to go to the movies and the theater. And it was a big event. That was the only event in their lives anyway, right? The whole week. So, when you are reading these lines, to me, I am now experiencing how Sant Goswami Tulsi has wanted to tell the story. The emotions he wanted to put in the words, that the words might express. Because when you read the English translation, it does not give you that emotions. I must tell you that. So I have stopped reading literally the English translations. And I'm blessed now to understand a little bit more Hindi. So then there is so much more depth. In this Doha, as I chanted, Tab lagis kusal na jeev, Kahu sapne hu man visram, Kahu sapne hu man visram, जब लगी भजन न राम कहू, जब लगी भजन राम कहू, कहू शोक धाम तजी काम. Shok dham taji kam. To detach from the calm of the greed and false pride of the world, to detach from the things that attract our senses, to detach from the things that attract our senses. I have the opportunity to talk to many young people, and many times I ask the question when the parents tell me, they're having their Panditji, they're this, and I say, so what is your greatest distraction from school, from studying? I actually did this with the children, the Catholic school children who came here. I asked them, what is your greatest distraction from studies? They listed categorically: cell phones, iPod, internet, television. First, they listed them. And they all agreed. By the way, the same thing with our children who I'm having this. So these are the things that distract you. So then, what do you got to do? Unplug the TV, disconnect the internet, take away the cell phone, right? And all the problems are solved. But if you do that, what's going to happen? They'll go to somebody else's TV, they'll find a wireless phone, they'll get one that they can get Wi-Fi. But that's not how you solve the problem. You have to disconnect them from the element. And by the way, they're not physically attached, they're mentally attached. And I'll tell you, I can only speak of myself. I can tell you how you're mentally attached to things. You see, when I like cricket, cricket is my only sport. Today, India was playing West Indies. By the way, there was a game on. And I was supposed to get ready to be here, the mandir, to be outside. A very faithful devotee of the mandir was picking me and swimming up. At 6:30 sharp, I said, be there. But you see, there was this last two batsmen in. They had 10 runs to make. and they had about 6 overs to go on the last 2 batsmen. You can imagine that nail-biting situation. Sumi was biting her nails. That's how bad it was. You saw the game? Good. And you know, I mean, it was so nail-biting, and there I am. I'm supposed to. I'm pressing my dhoti, watching, pressing my kurta. Didn't shower yet. I can't shower because if I go to shower, I miss the game. So I'm watching in between overs, you know. Finally, I think they're not going to make it. West Indies, they last 2 batsmen are in, and they're 2 tail-enders. They can't bat. They're down. 10 runs, then 6 runs, then 4 runs, then 3, then 2. Then they made 1, and the game is tied. I said, oh, now they can't lose. But at that time, I was physically connected to that computer, mentally connected to that computer, and if anybody had tried to disturb me, I would chop their hands off. That's an example of how we become attached to our sensual things. We all become like that. When we become engrossed in that way, mentally we say, that's it. Sant Goswami Tulsidas is telling us that we must not allow ourselves to become victims to the world's attractions. That our discipline and our sense of discretion must overcome these situations. Now I'm thinking of going to see the finals in the Caribbean, because it definitely India and West Indies, because West Indies has already won against Sri Lanka and against India, so it should be a very, very nail-biting finish. Prem se bol Sitapati Ram, Prem se bol Sita cricket Bhagwan. No, sorry, wrong thing. You see what happens when it's in your mind? It comes out in your words. Prem se bol Sitapati Ramachandra Bhagavan ki. 1 minute. Our katha tonight was a continuation of the dialogue between the devotee and the divine. The interaction between the devotee Bhabhishan, who we have seen who have come from the furthest state of human existence, in the tamasic state, existing in the world of Lanka, existing in a family of impious people, but yet having a desire to relate to God, and finally struggled and struggled until he got there, and then made that declaration that, Lord, all I want is to be at your feet. And Bhagwan Bhuj Vishal mein le aao aur hriday mein laga do. The Lord lifted him and embraced him. You and I all can be embraced by the Lord. Not necessarily as we see Bibhishan and Rama embracing, but they embrace in our hearts. Sharan mein aaye hai hum tumhari, दया करो दयालु भगवान, शरण में
आए हम तुम्हारी, दया करोगे दयालु भगवान।
संभालो बिगड़ी दशा हमारी, दया करो दयालु भगवान। संभालो
बिगड़ी दशा हमारी,
दया
करोगे
दयालु भगवान। दया करो है दयालु भगवान। Have compassion upon us, O most compassionate Lord. शरण में आए हैं हम तुम्हारी. Take us into your arms, O Lord, and bestow your compassion upon us. Prem se bol Sitapati Ramachandra Bhagavan ki. Let me take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you here tonight. So this is the eighth night of this Ram Katha. Preeti Bhojan is sponsored tonight by Chandrasekhar and family. Let's give them a big hand, please. And Ramesh and family, give them also a big hand, please. And Ramesh ji celebrating 64 years. Give him a big hand, please. कौन पहले बार आए हैं? Who's here in the mandir for the first time? Anyone? Any newcomers? Well, we welcome all of you. We look forward to seeing you again. This katha continues tomorrow night and every night until Saturday night. Tomorrow is Canada's Day. We celebrate Canada's birthday. How do you celebrate a country's birthday? You give it a cake, right? You send it a gift. You send her a gift card. Well, who's going to receive it on behalf of Canada? How do you, when someone is celebrating a birthday, you send them a birthday wish, you say give them a, but what do you give Canada?
Taxes.
Firecrackers? What do you give to Canada?
Taxes.
Taxes? It's not to Canada. Taxes is for you and I. We pay taxes so that they can build a road, can be built for us. What do we give to Canada? We appreciate the country we're in. That is the greatest gift a parent can give a child when they appreciate the parentage. The greatest gift we can give to Canada by saying, thank you for allowing us to be Canadians. That is the greatest gift we can give to Canada. Thank you for allowing us. And then be proud to be a Canadian, and then to be respectful of all things that is Canadian. And then, of course, to be proud to be a Hindu at the same time. Prem Sitapati Ramachandra Bhagavan ki Jai. We now sit upright, focus our minds as Panditji will offer bhog. Aavo bhog lagao mere mohan. आवो भोग लगाओ मेरे मोहन
आवो भोग लगाओ मेरे मोहन
दिलनी के दिलनी के बैर सुदाम के तंदुल
रुचि रुचि भोग लगाओ मेरे मोहन
आवो भोग लगाओ मेरे मोहन
आवो भोग लगाओ मेरे मोहन
आवो भोग लगाओ दुर्योधन को मेवा त्यागो साग विदुर कर खाओ मेरे मोहन आवो भोग लगाओ मेरे मोहन आवो भोग लगाओ मेरे मोहन। सभी लोग बोलो कृष्णा अर्पणम। We invite everyone to participate in Aarti. Our seniors can come first, those people who are 60 and over, and then others will follow. बजाओ।
आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कले कलित आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कले कलित आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कलित ललित सिया पीति श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कलि कदल दसिया की संबंध सब की आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कलि कदल दसिया की
कलिमलहरनि विषय रस प्रीति
शुभ गतिकार मुक्ति युवती की
कलन रव मोरियमी की तात मात सब
विधि तुलसी की
आरती श्री रामायण
जी की कीरति कलि कदल दसिया की
आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कलि कदल दसिया की आरती श्री रामायण जी की कीरति कलि कदल दसिया की।
सभी लोग हाथ जोड़कर राजा और आंख बंद करो. We clasp our hands and close our eyes, and we bow our heads in humility as we offer concluding prayers to Prabhu Ram. We feel that, oh Lord, we are all like Vibhishan. We live in a tamasic world. We are easily influenced by tamasic nature. Oh Bhagwan, we too are striving to get close to you. We seek, हे प्रभु रक्षा करो, रक्षा करो, रक्षा करो. राम रामाय राम भद्राय रामचंद्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः. सीताय पतये नमः. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. ॐ द शान्ति अंतरिक्षगुं शांति पृथ्वी लापा शांति ऋषिधय शांति वनस्पत्य शांति विश्वदेव शांति ब्रह्मा शांति सर्वे गुण शांति शांतिरेवा शांति सामा शांति रेधि. For those of us who can, please bow our heads, touching the ground. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Asato Ma Sadagamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. प्रेम से सीतापति रामचंद्र भगवान की, सत्य सनातन धर्म की, सब कोई जय 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 श्री राम, जय माता दी. सभी लोग आसन लीजिए, आरती दे दो और प्रसाद दे दो और फिर भोजन. Everyone please do partake. And we are wishing happy birthday to Ramesh. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए. हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू रमेश, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू रमेश, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू रमेश, हैप्पी बर्थडे. जन्मदिन बधाई, जन्मदिन बधाई, जन्मदिन बधाई, जन्मदिन बधाई, जन्मदिन बधाई. जय जय हो, जन्मदिन बधाई, जय जय हो. Happy birthday to you, and may Bhagwan bless you with many, many more years of health, strength and vitality, and for you continue to love your dharma and serve your community. Jai. Give him a big hand, please.